Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to cover account management in T4D Web. First, we're going to create a new account, then we're going to edit the roles and permissions on that account, and finally, we're going to create a new role. To create an account in T4D, we'll go to the admin pages and then go to the accounts page. From here, we'll click on new user and enter in some basic information, starting with the email address and the first and last name. We can specify a gender. We can also specify a notification preference. It defaults to email only. We can also enter in different phone numbers if we would like and change the culture and language if we want. The default status is enabled and the default role is admin. I'll get into more detail in a minute on what the different roles mean as far as permissions, but for now we can just hit register. That will create the user in T4D Web, and it will also send an email out to the user with a link to the T4D website as well as a temporary password. Once a user is created, we can go through and edit their different projects and roles. The default for this login was admin, so they have access to all the different projects. But if I wanted to specify specific projects that they have access to, it will change their role from admin to analyst or guest. And I can say only give them analyst permissions on one of the projects that exists in web. I can hit save to save those changes. We can also specify what exact permissions the analyst or guest roles have in T4D Web. If we go to role configuration, we can see that the analyst and guest accounts exist right here, and click on edit to change any specific permissions. So for example, if I wanted to give all the analysts the ability to delete alarms, I could do so right here and then hit save. I can also create a custom role, and we'll just call this one custom. And that will let me add any specific permissions that I want to any accounts that I want. So maybe I want to only have a data files account. I can hit save, and then I come back to the user, and their projects and roles, and maybe I just want them to be able to get data from Site 3. That concludes our video on how to create an account in T4D Web, as well as account management and role configuration. For more information, please visit our YouTube channel and watch more videos about T4D Web.